gịnị kwa taa asata ụlọ ka m pịa gị ụlọ ịsọ.
Me?
Yes.
Hello.
Do you like what you see?
If I like what I see.
Just tell me the truth. Do you like what you see?
Who no like better thing?
So why didn't you talk to me?
Why I no toast you? Ha! Omo, no only foolish man no know where in level dey o. Abeg go make I just dey manage this iTunes card wey I just pick abeg.
Really? Toast me now. You're a man.
Make I toast you.
Are you not a man? Toast me now.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
Your waist no dey respect traffic light. You just dey bend left, bend right. Now last man suppose arrest am aje. If you see this traffic wey dey happen for Lekki, na your duty dey cause am. You know why? Because everybody just dey slow down just to look at you.
Think about it. Think.
Poor man. Now una get lines pass. That's the reason why you are broke. Una no get money to give, but lines full una mouth.
You are mad. You are mad. You are very stupid. Get out of here.